This yummy strawberry syrup is the perfect topping for this keto cheesecake fluff. You need 2 8-ounce bars of cream cheese and a half cup of sugar or sweetener. And so we're going to go ahead and get that stirred. I did that for 30 seconds. Now I'm putting in some sour cream. That's 2 tablespoons of sour cream, and that is 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice and a half teaspoon of vanilla. Now you want to turn this into that. You want to put your whipped cream right in the middle of your cream cheese. I'm cutting a line right down the center of the cheesecake filling. Then you fold to the right gently. No stirring or mixing. Make sure you scrape the side of the bowl with every fold. It's a twist of the wrist. And now here are some really fun clips from the original video.
A little cupcakey. Oh my God! It worked, you guys! It worked! Welcome to the Barbie. So we're gonna do this like different ways.